Okay, guys, this is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back. Now we back for part 12. Remember our series live chat support advanced system, and this is where we left. We This is admin.css. We left in header that full. Okay, now what we are going to do, let me show you. Open here. This is last tutorial. Okay, this is what we did, and then now let's continue. Now we will fix everything from here, also the footer, and we will continue adding the table. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Open your code editor. This is if you go back, open home.php inside the admin folder, and as you can see here, and inside a dashboard, this is the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard, and now we will add the table, add the dashboard inside here. Okay, inside here, and let me show you. Oops. Okay, inside here, and then we have to know how many for the new messages, and we have to know the total messages for today. Okay, also for total messages, and here as you can see, total messages, this is the header, h3 header. Okay, and then here this is the new messages, and also here as you can see I put first, okay, second, third. Here we have for the new users. When you got new users, you have to know how many for the total users, and then here we have new users, and here we have the table. For the table, we have the email name for the user. Okay, and world status, sent messages, last seen, registered, actions, and so on. And now let's continue. Let's start from here. If you open home.php, now this is I'll show you, and then we add new messages, total messages. We'll add put inside the main admin dashboard here. Okay, let's add some CSS because we already we have the code. Now let's add some CSS. Okay, and go back to admin.css. This is where we left, and now I'm going to call it main, and as you can I will show you from give it 30 pixel, and okay, for the padding top. Now save everything, and that we are going. Let me put this is where we first started here now. Okay, just to show you, we can separate this. Okay, oops, and let me put this. That's the main admin. Okay, put it this way. Okay, now save everything, and now if you refresh the page, this is what we've got. Okay, we take everything. Okay, we take everything, as you can see, dashboard, new messages. For the new messages we got 0 messages. Total messages for today, we got the one, because we got one user online, which is the admin, because we log in, and also total messages for the new user 0, and total user, new user, that's what we got. Remember with if you go back to home.php, this is everything that we have here. Remember I showed you, we take everything, we add it, we call it main, and then in order to call everything from here, and that's why I got solid rotate fx total messages for today, and new message total message for today. Also got same thing, total messages, total users, and say we call new users. For new users, that's why we got email, name, work status, and so on. Let me show you. We got them everything right here. Now let's add more CSS, and then you will see the beauty of this. All right, now we'll go back to admin.css, and let's continue main.full. Okay, and now I'm added padding left to create some space, 30 pixel, and the opposite side padding right, same thing. Let me show you what I mean. If you save everything, and now we go back and refresh it, that you see this space, and we get this space. Okay, now let's continue, and if I call it main h2 for the header, okay, now for the h2 header, we'll give you the font size of 20 pixel, and for the padding 20 pixel as well, and we need a font width of 600. Okay, and now let's go back and refresh the page. As you can see, we put the font width and space. Now let's continue, and now font size let's say font width 600. Okay, okay, font width. Also, I'm going to pass the color here next. After that, this is the color. Okay, now what we are going to do, let's save everything and refresh the page to see what we got. Okay, we don't see anything yet. Let's continue, add more. Okay, now let's go to go back to home.php. Let's take the, let me show you something. Okay, we take content. Okay, content title. Okay, now I'm going to copy and go back to admin.css. And I'm going to say main that space content title here. Okay, and I'm going to give it a border bottom, and right here. Okay, also I wanted to display flex. Now let's save everything and go back, refresh the page. As you can see, this is what we do. We separate the dashboard. Now we got the name dashboard, and then also we got the line, and then we separate the line, as you can see right here. Okay, and now we did that. Now I'm going to work same thing, and I'm going to copy this, okay, and paste it here, and I'm going to call with h2 because we have h2 here. If you go to back home, this is h2. Okay, that's why I put h2 here. Also just put I want flex equal 1, and then save it. If you check it here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, same thing, paste this guy, and this is the for the button. Okay, I need a height to 36 pixel. All right, and for the main message, and keep main that, oops, okay, for the main message. Now I want it to display flex, and then I want align center. Here we have two padding. We have to remove one. Give it a not font. Font weight 5000. We need the box shadow. Okay, so last one, you have to reverse this one, put a 0.1. Okay, and now let's save everything and see what we got here. Okay, as you can see now, you can move it up and down. Okay, now I'm bring this up and yeah, because this is where we're working on now. We got the eye here, okay, and that we keep going down because we have eye, and okay, all right, and we got everything here. Okay, now let's go back. We got IF. This is eye. You can see we got them right here. That's why we take them separately to make sure. And okay, I oops, I do it this way. No, before that, let's see. I'm going to do man. Okay, let me do this. Okay, guys, sorry. Let's do message P, and then okay. We need the margin. Okay, and okay, now this is where I'm going to do the eye now. Okay, I want it to align self flex, and also for the justify content, use the same flex and as well, and I'll use the cursor. I want it to point it. Okay, now let's let me put this, increase this, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this over so that I can even make it bigger for you. Yeah. All right. Now save everything and like go back and refresh. Okay. And here we have now what I'm going to do, this is for the ad over here, and I'm going to copy, okay, copy this line and paste it here, and add only this, and change the opacity to 0.9, and save everything. Now success. Background color. Here is my color here. Okay. Add the border left. Okay, and I'm going to add this some color here. Okay, just copy and paste it here and put like this. Yeah. Okay, save everything. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Okay. Now let's continue adding. Okay. Add the same color. Message. Video message. This is first one. This is for success. For the message error message. Yep. Is background color that. Let me copy and add the same color here. Okay. Okay. And now add the next line. Use the. I'm going to use the content header. Go back to home.php. I think I should get. Let's see. Content title. Here we have title block. Content. Yeah. Okay. We have. Yeah. I'm going to use a content header for the form. And content header for the form, I want it to display flex and justify content. Here, let's use others, put a space in between the same content down header. No, okay. The first one I want to use the. Let's see, message error. Okay. What I want to do, go here and copy this guy, paste it here. I want you to put I, okay, and add a color of. You can copy this color, okay, and paste this guy right here. Okay, now we have copy this guy again. Copy the whole block of code. Copy this and paste this. Remove form. Okay. Remove form. Yeah. Now we got this block, I add this block of code, and also I add this block of code. Okay, and now we have content header form and then display. Yeah, same thing, same thing for both of them. Now let's continue. We have such content header over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease this. Select. Okay, let's see. Yeah, one more. No. Okay, now we need the I'm going to start with the background color for that, and let's see, and use, I think the background color should be transparent. Also outline none, also border none. I need to give you the height of, come on, 40, and a width of by the bottom here. We need to use okay. Okay, now save everything and let's go back and see what we've got. Alright, you will not see anything yet, but because we have to add more for the form. We have to add more for the form. Okay, and now I'm going to, yeah, let me code it content header search input over main form search. Okay, input active input active input input active input that search input active comma and main. Yes, we have main. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a space and then go to the next. Oops, well, we got header here, active, go to the next line. Okay, this is input main for, I put it this way. Okay, and active. Okay, use a border bottom right here. And justify self. Okay, save everything, refresh. Okay, and let me clean some cache. So, and okay, yep. All right, let's continue. Okay, and now we need the main content form and pass some um, okay, that's search. Um, use is a margin top. Margin. So. Oh, that margin, this is man. That margin, this is man. Okay. Um, going to display this flex and oops, this is my position. Okay, let's see. What generate. Then marginal 10 pixel and okay. It's a color. This is what space? Okay. Alright, save. Let's save all, and alright, now we now got a main that contains that header filters, and now for the list, okay, that margin. Okay. Let's reverse. Let's put 0.1. I prefer this one. Okay. This. Well, this is padding bottom here. Font size 14. Alright, then now we save. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to do content block. Go back to home.php. The content title, content, this is the dashboard. Okay, now home.php, I'm going to can copy content block. Now, yeah, I'm going to like wrap everything that we got, total message for today, and total message and total user. This is what we're working on right now. Content block, and take that one and paste it here. And I'm going to do block header like this, block header. Okay. All right. I'm going to make this even bigger for you guys, and use a position relative border bottom. I'll put 1 pixel solid. Okay. Use margin bottom, because I want to fix everything here. Use the table, put inside everything in the column. Okay. 20 but about, yeah, 20 pixel. Oops, I don't know, unexpected character. Which one is that? Unexpected. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it gives us this. Let's see. Okay, yeah. This is padding top. Okay. This is a top right bottom. Margin left, I take negative for this on this side, negative 15. Okay, and do the same thing. $500. All right, now let's save everything, save all, and let's go back. Let's go back to our browser. Refresh the page. Let's I'm going to clear some cache to see what's going on. Okay. Okay. Let's see, main content, head content. Okay. And yeah, man, that's content header. Okay, let's see. Now let's wrap everything here, next block of code. Got it, man. Not header. Block. Okay, this should be content block. Okay, copy and paste this. Yeah, and then now we need a background color. Okay, and no, it's use oh no, it's some amount of margin top. Yes, that's why I can find it. Okay. Alright, this time I'm going to 0.03. Okay. Any any overflow between to hide everything. Okay, now we have content block, block header, and then content header filter for the list input. Now content block, that this block of code will put everything in order. Okay, and save everything. Go to file, save all, and go here, refresh everything. As you can see, now refresh it, and then pretty much we got everything. And then we will fix this for the table, this for the table, and then we'll add everything. Okay, let's continue adding some code, which was to save some time. Please select okay. And okay. Six. And then now padding, add the padding 5 50, and then now add I should give it a font size oops, and then the font weight 600, top 5 pixel in the cursor to be in the border radius. Oh, not that's border. Okay, 4 pixel. Okay, now let's save everything, and let's refresh. All right, let's continue, and yeah, man, that list. Okay. There's a background color. Okay, for 67, something is missing. Yes, okay. Now we need this is not, yeah, it should be content, user content block, not block header hi. Back to home.php, we need a content block here. Okay, we have a content block, and then also we have I. Let's fix, we have two content block, we have all these I, we have to fix everything here. And then that's why you have content block header I here. Okay, and we have first thing, we have to display this guy. We want displaying like flex, give it a height of okay. Give it a 50%. Okay, and okay, now let's save everything and go back, refresh. Okay, and now add a few line of code. This is for the block that cover. Okay, and with the height you have to calculate this one. Okay, and to display this one, flex. Okay, 25. And few line of code, guys. This is block wrap that up, content block here. Okay, and let's give it a width of 100%. Need the margin of pixel. Yes. This is here. This is take the content block. First child. Okay. Give it a margin left 0. Okay. This guy. Okay. Was child. The margin right 0. Okay. All right, guys. Now let's go and go to file, save all, and now let's go to our browser here, refresh it. Okay, as you can see, now we accomplish now as you can see, you got here, and we got so far inside of the main dashboard, you got something. It looks like it looks different right now, and this is where I'm going to stop for part 12, and then the next tutorial we will put them separate right here on the top under the dashboard title right here. Okay, and we will get 1 2 3, got a one here, one here, and one here, and then after that we will fix the table at the bottom. And this is where I'm going to stop for part 12. The next tutorial will continue. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, please consider to do so, and share the channel so that we can reach more people, we can get more subscribers, because if you and then I'm glad you have reached from that far. I'm glad. And don't forget to visit our website, and I always put the link in the description. And any question, comment, anything, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.